Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Today we're going to talk about present simple negatives. Let's get started. In my last videos, we covered the present simple tense, asking questions in the present simple tense, the verb to be, and the verb to do. So if you haven't watched those videos, make sure you do before today's video. Are you from France? I'm not from France. This is an example of a statement that's negative in the present simple tense. I'm not from France. Remember, with the verb to be, we can say I am, or we can say I'm. It means the same thing. So for the present simple tense negative, we just add not to the end. I am not, or I'm not. We can say she is not, he is not, it is not, or we can contract them. She's not, he's not, or it's not. We can also make a contraction with the words is and not to make isn't. She isn't, he isn't, it isn't. All of these statements mean the same thing. She is not, she's not, and she isn't all mean the same thing. In a similar way, we can say you are not, we are not, or they are not. Or we can say you're not, we're not, they're not. Or we can combine are and not to say aren't. You aren't. We aren't. They aren't. All of these mean the same thing. So if someone asked, are they American? What would we say? They are not American. They're not American. They aren't American. We can say any of these three things. They all mean the same. They are not from the United States. But what if someone said, do you read at night? But at night, you really like to watch TV. How would you answer? I do not read at night. Remember when we learned about the verb do in our last video? I do not. You do not. We do not. They do not. Or we can contract do and not to make don't. I don't. You don't. We don't. They don't. And for she, he, and it, remember we use does. So if we wanted to say something negative, we would say she does not. He does not. It does not. Or we can combine does and not and say doesn't. She doesn't. He doesn't. It doesn't. Does he eat pizza? He doesn't eat pizza. He does not eat pizza. Is she from China? She isn't from China. She is not from China. I hope you found today's video useful. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you have questions or if there's something specific you want a video about, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Shukran.